How to add Mantle on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Mantle on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you open the Trust Wallet app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Mantle. In order to add Mantle on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now click on Mantle and tap on Receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive monthly from different crypto wallets. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna receive monthly on crypto wallet or Trust wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.